You ever get to the campsite a little bit later than you planned, or get a midnight craving when it's a little dark out and you got a campfire ripping and roaring, and you happen to have some pesto and ravioli in the cupboard? We're gonna give her a rip in the cast iron pan. We're gonna try to make some pesto ravioli over the campfire. Here we go. You want to get it boiling before you add your pasta. We'll give it a minute or so. We have the bubble.
Why don't you give them the drop, eh?
Woo, hot. Not quite covered in water, but that'll do. What do you think?
I think it's going to turn out just fine. Nothing good, boiling just right. Tender pasta, no time.
Silicone, lifesaver. Make sure that they're all broken up. Cooking away they are. Eight minutes later. Do you want the lid on?
Uh-oh. Need something.
Want the silicone handle?
Maybe.
After 8 minutes, you drain. And get ready to mix in. Oh, we lost a couple buds.
Back to the pasta gods.
Back to the pasta guys.
Alright, now into the pesto.
Pesto. Here. Pesto. Scoop the jar down closer. Just don't miss any bits.
Gotta get it all out. This stuff's
all good.
amazing.
Good stuff.
Give it a stir.
Can you light me? It's sticking a little bit. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Think we need to heat it a bit more? Or you think she's hot?
Yep, you want to take a little heat. Fill up your bowl of carbs. That's really good.
It does. We had some neighbor buds just getting into the campground.
This smells amazing.
If I was more social, I'd invite them over. This is such a simple dish. Whether you need a midnight snack or if you got in late. Or if it gets dark early like it does here now.
Can't wait. Get a little fresh Parmesan shaved on there.
We don't have Parmesan, but we have Gouda.
A little bit of shaved Gouda.
Yum.
Oh gosh, look at this. Tasty, come in.
You must be hungry.
Gotta get it all on there.
Sorry.
And then, oh, it's cool.
Alright, kids, we're gonna enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, Just Beyond Parks. Also like and give us a comment. Have you tried pesto and pasta over the fire in the dark before? Let us know how she turned out. See you later.